JammerStore.com Inc., MONSTRO 10 All Frequencies Jammer. Welcome to the video podcast of the Jammer Store Company. Today's video is devoted to the new model of our signal jammers called MONSTRO 10 All Frequencies Portable Jammer. After you take it in your hands, you will see the group of indicators at the front panel of this jammer, from the left side of it to be specific. There are also 6 switches near those indicators which are used to turn on and off jamming of different signal bands separately. One switch is for one antenna. At the right side of this jammer, you will find the power switch that is used to turn the power on and off. Under the power switch, there is a connector for AC-DC power adapter. Under that connector, you can see the special slots in the frame for better cooling of the MONSTRO 10 jammer. The rear side is reliably fastened with studs. The left side also has many cooling slots in it. Top of this jammer has 6 antennas mounted on it for 6 types of wireless signals to be blocked at the same time. All of them are numbered to not be mixed up, and they can be dismounted easily. I am unscrewing one of the antennas right now. As you can see, the number on the antenna matches the number near its slot for it, and it can be screwed on its own place. Now I will screw it back on. Indicators still show nothing, so now I will turn the power on and off, but nothing happens. Jamming functions. We're back again with our MONSTRO 10 multi-frequency signal jammer, and now I will explain to you why nothing has happened. You see this connector? It is the place where you should connect the AC-DC power adapter for this jammer to start working. One cable must be inserted into the jammer, and the other one into the adapter. As you can see, the indicator immediately starts to show us the jammer is currently charging. And now, let's turn the power of the jammer on. Now, when you look at the indicators, all of them are active, showing you that all 6 bands are working simultaneously. After turning the power off, you can see the signal bands are no longer being jammed, but MONSTRO Jammer continues its recharging process. And here we have the car power adapter that is also used to recharge and supply the power to this jammer, but it is used in cars. You can unplug the AC and DC power adapter to empty the connector and put the car adapter there in the same way. The other end of this adapter must be plugged into the car electric lighter to effectively supply this signal jammer in your car. Wi-Fi jamming. Welcome back to the video about the new MONSTRO jammer. This time, I will demonstrate how easily it can deal with Wi-Fi signals. As you can see, my Wi-Fi connection is now active and works great. But now I'm going to turn my signal jammer on for you to be able to see what will happen next. I'm turning it on. All 6 indicators are lit up and active, thus jamming is working now. So let's look at our Wi-Fi connection. Wait for it. Oops, it vanished. Can you see this? My Wi-Fi connections are successfully dropped thanks to the MONSTRO jammer, and you can see it here. Oh, one of them is still resisting. I guess it's the strongest one. Let's see. Ha! It's dropped too. There are no working Wi-Fi networks left. Now let's turn the power off of this jammer and see what happens after that. We must wait for a few seconds because Wi-Fi networks need this time to re-establish their signal and connections. And we need to refresh the network connections at the laptop. Look at that. They are all back again and the internet works as it should. That gives you an opportunity to add MONSTRO all-frequency jammer to card when you can proceed to security checkpoint and complete your order. GPS jamming. To demonstrate how GPS jamming works, we have decided to use GPS navigators installed in the car. You can see here that all satellites are available now, and their signals are pretty good. So to use the MONSTRO jammer in your car, you need to connect it with the car power adapter. One end of it must be plugged into the jammer's power connector, right here, and the other one must be connected to the car electric lighter. You need to take this thing out and then take this end of the car power adapter and plug it in right here. As you can see, the power indicator is active again, demonstrating to us that MONSTRO Jammer is recharging now. So let's turn this power switch on, and you can see that all 6 frequency bands are now blocked. And look at our GPS navigator. There are no active signals right now, and all satellites are red dots. That means that there are no GPS signals going from our car at all. Now, let's do the reverse thing and turn the power off. At the same moment, you can see that satellites are quickly becoming available again, and their signal is the same as it was prior to the jamming effect. Thanks for watching. Jammer-Store.com Inc. Video Reviews.